Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation from beautiful Juliet, Georgia. Getting this not so beautiful low slope roof taken care of. Somebody thought that 2 layers of 3 tabs on a 212 roof made sense, but in the end it was not a good decision. So we're here to get things straightened out. Strip these 2 layers of shingles off. Timio is making good progress with that. Benjamin and Macario getting the materials unloaded. We're going to put a mule hide SASBS cap and base sheet system in slate gray, new drip edge, and get this roof happy again. Give us a call if we can help you out with your roofing problems. 478-501-0102. We're Shingle Master certified. Crew's been with us since 2007. 10-year labor warranties and on-site job management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.